First type Cisco packet tracer. Then open the Cisco packet tracer, Cisco networking. View courses. Getting started with Cisco packet tracer. Then get started. Then continue with Google. Your Google account. Click on your Google account address. Then sign up country. Choose the region. Date of birth. Choose date of birth. Then month. Choose month. Then continue. Then tick on I have read and agree to term and condition on both sides. Then accept and continue. There are a lot of options showing here, so download this link here. And you will get a Cisco packet for macOS, Ubuntu and Windows. And now I'm going to install Windows version. It's already been downloaded, so I'm going to open it. So install, yes, yes, yes. I'm going to install new Cisco packet. Next, 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 install. Click on finished. Yes. It's been restarted. So click on this green box. Then you have successfully. You may close this tab.